Today I'm going to be installing the Uniden R7 that I just got actually from Amazon. It's discounted big time. Because I don't like the wires running and showing, we're going to tap it to the mirror, which should have 12 volts. And we're going to use iFixit. What is it? iFixit toolkit. We're going to stay away from the metal parts, from the metal opening tools. We're going to try to use as much as my plastic opening tools, and I'll let you know which one worked, which one didn't. The problem is, okay, so I need to take this plastic cover. It's supposed to be two latches here, here and here. Open it, go on the other side, open it, then push it kind of, the mirror needs to go down like that. And hopefully I don't have to take this part out. You see, this is the part that probably also needs to go out because the connections, the wiring is in here. So let's get it started. This tapping set, I actually bought one that came with 3 cords. The difference, they're all 16-inch. The difference is the endings. So the endings are with different thickness, wideness. I'm gonna use the smallest one. So because I've heard reports that there is not much space to play with, so I'm gonna bet on the smallest one and see what happens. There we go. Yeah, you have to be careful, you see. I scratched it, I'll tone it down, but this needs to be. Apparently it's all about getting in, pulling a little bit, so you have to get the tool in, preferably from the top side. This is softer, this is harder here. Pull out and just out and down. So I'll try to do that same exercise on this side. You just need force, that's all. So I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm going to turn the camera around. You just need force. Those are right there, those 2 latches. Yeah, don't try with a cheap tool because you're going to scratch. You see, I scratched my surface. So I'm going to see how I'm going to tone it down. And same thing here. I hate what happened, but it's good for you to know. Yeah, but these are just pull. And now we have yeah, we definitely need to take this plastic off. Let's see if I can see better. So I have a red, and what else do I have? Yep, so the red, you can see where the red goes. This black red is gonna be my active wire most likely, and the brown is gonna be on the right side. It's gonna be the other one, the neutral. So hope you can see it. Hold on. Yep. So my shaking hands, but yep, that's why I need to plug. So I'm not gonna take this cover down, which is not a pain in the butt. I don't want to mess with it. So I'm gonna try to just pull it like this, hold it with my hand like this. Put the wires in, see how it goes. So the way you remove this one is, it stays over there like this. You have to press right here. Right here, you have to put something hard to press it and pull it out. The same on the other side, slowly. It just clicks out, and then later on you can just take it out. Very easy. This one was much easier than the other one. The other one has those big clips here. That was much harder. This one was just I pressed right there where the separation is, right there, and on the other side right there, and a little push on this side. You know, it sits like this, so you're pressing right here, and pulling a little bit backwards, and it's gonna pop out. So I end up wire tapping it. as you can see right there. I end up actually using the wider ones. So this, these were too small, they were too loose, so I end up using the wider ones. Just figure out how you're gonna tap it. These are now more stable right there. So I'm just gonna, you know, put it back like this. Hopefully all that is not gonna be on anything's way. Yep, I'm gonna put the cover back. See how it goes. So that's what I was saying earlier. Right here you have to push, because now when I press it's gonna click. Yep. And this is my wire tapping. I'm gonna test it before I close it though. I just wanted to see how it assembles. Right there is the latch. So I will test RG11 jack with the detector and then assemble back everything. It's kind of a short unboxing, so it comes with a nice, I don't know what it is. It's not a leather, but nice soft touch case. We have a lot of those that I'm going to use on trips when I rent cars. So you have a cigarette lighter, you have the update cables, and you have probably those are the suction cups that I'm going to use. Those are exactly the ones that I'm going to use actually. But there is also, should be a big one. Yep. Maybe this one will stay for my car. And this. So it comes in this nice carrying case. Again, soft touch. Right there, looks pretty awesome actually. Pretty good. So let's hook it up. And hopefully we didn't burn anything. So let's try it. Here is the detector. I'm gonna plug it. Plug it, clicked. Okay. Power on. Woohoo! We have a testing. Cool. I have to assemble back the two plastic parts, figure out how I'm gonna run the wire. It will sit somewhere around here. Good position for it. Yeah, I'll run the wires and see how it goes. Because the wire tapping is so tight, I had to kind of pull this one. Just no problem. Just pulled it so it's out of its way. This one can sit well. And now I just need to run it through here. I'm gonna test it again, so I'll make sure, because I close it, you see, once it's closed. Once it is closed, you might wanna double check before you close again this panel here. Just double check. I would definitely go with this mount for the car that you would use day to day, because this one has adjustable angle. This one you have to angle it yourself with force. I'm going to use this for rentals and stuff like that if I use it all. But yeah, this is the way to go, plus it's way sturdier. I think that's how it's going to go. I'm going to run the wire. I'm going to let it go. So from here, let it go down there. The cover will hold it. And that's it. And that's from the from the driver's perspective. Very easy to operate. You have access, easy access. Even if you forget which button is which, you can click it. The other option is, so this is going to be like this, more or less. The other option is to have it mounted at the bottom of the mirror. It will start obstructing my view, so I'd rather have it up top, even though when I'm closing, I don't know where the antenna is. If antenna is on this side, it actually has direct access right there. So if there's the antenna down there, that thing, I'll be fine. I very rarely use this sunshade. So I think I'm ready to clip it back on and get it for a ride. I use the big sturdy, like I said. This one also is glued, so this is not moving at all. Once you suck it out, the rest is gonna go for temporary uses whenever I need it. So what I've decided to do is actually run it below, and always remember the thick wire should go above it to clip it, because with rattling and vibration on the roll, I have the feeling it's gonna come up. Even though it's soft material, you don't want it rattling. So that's more or less the wiring, and then I have just this showing up here where it's almost invisible. Okay, I think we're ready. One last test, and I'm gonna assemble it.